Well, Maya at Macdo, congrats. Sana sabay tayo magka-baby. Always remember na si God yung center ng marriage. Then, always pray na and wish ko yung good health para sa inyo. Congrats again.
Sa inyong dalawa, wish ko sana magsama kayo ng matagal at magmahalan habang buhay. At sa iyo, anak ko, kahit naging makulit at pasaway ka nung ikaw ay maliit, pero ikaw ang pinakamahalagang bagay na dumating sa buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita. At sa iyo, Maylin, mahalin mo ang anak ko. Nag-iisa yan. Yun lang ang anak ko sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ko, anak. Ate, mahal. Salamat. Sana ito, marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat.
Very touching. Salamat, ma'am. Tears of joy naman yan eh, di ba? Once again, Mama Belen, salamat for that message. Alright, so let's move on. This time, sino sa kanilang dalawa? Ha? Si Mama or si Papa niya? Oh, sige, okay lang. Si Papa sana. Mama, ayaw mo. Wag na lang daw. Oh, sige, si Papa na lang later. It's alright. One of the principal sponsors here is Dr. Eleazar Oxenia. Let's clap our hands, please.
I am relating myself to the mother of Mark. I also have one and only son, and he is now in grade 7. I also would want him to marry a very beautiful girl someday. And this wedding ceremony is full of emotions, and I would like to congratulate Mark for having chosen the best girl in the world. And remember the first time I met you, and when I said Mylene is a good catch, and then I also told Mylene that it's likewise with you. And I think the wedding ceremony this afternoon was full of reminders and beautiful messages. So I think I have not much to tell the two of you because everything was said by the priest. But I just would like to remind you that life is not all beauty. It's not beautiful all the time. But when the sailing goes rough, just look at each other and look at the wedding ring and remember the vows that you have uttered this afternoon, and everything will just be perfect. And since you are both a beautiful couple, I am sure that you will be raising more handsome and beautiful children in the future. But don't forget your parents, love them, and take care of them. Congratulations and best wishes.
Good evening, everyone. In this occasion, we are very proud to tell you that we have no guests. What we have tonight are special friends, very special friends. Friends who have traveled, friends who left behind their obligations or other responsibilities just to be with us tonight. Pa-English, kung kumalo ko mo may mga bisita, kita mo. Dapat Tagalog. Siyempre, no? But of course, tonight also we have here with us our beloved relatives. Members of the family who have merged together, and another family that will be joining pamilyang magulo. No, bre, no? Pero mga pamilyang mabait din. No? Ano ba? I know that everyone here have only one wish. Wish for Maymay and Macdo. And that is for them to have a wonderful life. Life that will be full of children. Dahil si Kumari antay na, naiinis na, ang naiinip. Kami may apo na kami. Bigyan nyo ng apo si Kumari. Okay lang kung ang unang apo doon. Basta ikalawang apo sa Bacolod. Sa iyo ang Batangas, sa amin ang Bacolod. No, I know that they will do their best to have wonderful children. And that will only come if they will be good parents, good father and mother. Children who will always remember that there is God that will help them in so many ways. And for those who are not here, we know that they are with us in spirit and also wishing Maymay and Macdo. And we are a little bit sad that in our family, because I have three women musketeers, and one is still abroad, no? Where is she been, friend?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. But she is joining us. Eveslyn will be joining us in thoughts, in our hearts, in Mama's tears. And we hope that she come as early as possible to be able to savor whatever is still from Macdo and Mylene. Mama, you want to say something? We are very, very proud that Mylene and Eveslyn will be having somebody that they can follow. No? They have an elder sister, Gracelyn, and Herman, the father and mother of Bren, who are always trying hard. No? And we hope that their younger sisters will always look up to them as models, and eventually they can have a very big and wonderful family together. No? And sa mga hinablos, mga apo, I hope that tonight's occasion have inspired you to also do your best in order to have a gathering that is like this, a gathering wherein we all of us try to be present. Okay? Tita Auring is also here. Tita Auring, I know your favorite apo is Mylene. I know. When Mylene was very, very young, every day Tita Auring will always get her and fetch her and bring her to Sigasco. I wish Dad is here also to see Mylene going big and happy. And Ma?
Katulad ng dati, yung unang tayo na pakilala mo sa akin si Macdo sa internet pa lang. Anong sabi ko sa'yo? Basta alagaan mo lang si Mylene. Love her and we will love you more. Kaya mixed feeling rin yun sa amin. Siyempre masaya rin kami na malungkot dahil siyempre mas lalayo na yun sa amin si Mylene. But happy rin kami dahil we know na nakikita ko na happy rin naman siya with Macdo. Sana naman hahatakin nyo ng lahat yung mga responsibilities nyo as a couple at be strong and love each other at huwag kayong magbabago sa isa't isa. May, maraming salamat dahil you made us happy. Alam ko, May, talagang inuna mo kami ng family mo. Maski dati, yung nakikita ko yung yearbook ni Miley while I was gathering her picture. Ang nakalagay na comments doon, first, gagawin lahat para sa pamilya. And she did it. Thank you very much, Mai. And you have done a lot for us. Wish you the best, Mai. And congratulations to Macdo. We love you both.
All right. Thank you very much once again, Mr. and Mrs. Samuel and Evelyn Grace Palermo. This time, finally, we have a message from the matron of honor here, Graceline, of course, to give a message. And at the same time, I guess, meron siyang surprise for both of you.
Good evening to each one. I do not know if I am the right person to be here since I have been married only for 12 years. But para sa artista, success na yon, di ba? Ika nga sa introduction for the benefit of our other guests, especially with Macdo side. I am the eldest in the family. I am Gracelyn. Next to me is Maymay. Then Eveslyn, who is not with us today. She's in Abu Dhabi, as what Brent said. I and Maymay are almost opposite from each other. In physical, for one. I am morena. She's maputi, like our mama. And in our mama side also, nagmana ako. I have thick hair. She was kalbo nung bata pa, as you can see in her pictures, during our dinner. Mataba siya, payatot ako noon. Noon ha. Matangos ilong ko, while pango sa kanya. In other words, mas maganda ako. But kidding aside, I am more of a planner, futuristic, perfectionist, nervyosa to say. Para akong musician, tumataas nota ko palagi. High blood. Pick up line yon. While she is cooler, paisi-isi lang, a pacifier in our family. Para siyang Yossi, kasi she give us hope and more. I am maldita, she is gentle. That is why many cannot reach out to me at first. First impression lang yun, ha? But for her, she has so many friends. She can easily gain them. She has the compassion, kaya I know she will be successful in her married life. And for Macdo, we know na mahal mo si Mai. You will already build a family of your own, but as the elder sister of Mai, in behalf of the family, do not ever forget that if anything unfortunate happens, kami ang unang masasaktan. Ito, totoo to. Be careful if you make a woman cry, because God counts her tears. The woman came out of a man's rib, not from his feet to be walked on, not from his head to be superior of, but from the side to be equal with, under his arm to be protected, and next to the heart to be loved. In my readings and viewings of experts about marriage, there are so many advices on what one should or should not do. But in reality, there are no perfect rules. Marriage is an interesting risk that just needs divine intervention of God. There will be ups and downs, hindi lahat puro sarap. What have you probably heard is the number one problem in marriage? Often cited as the number one problem is the lack of communication. I don't believe that's the case.